this is Pinninkatu, 40 staircase A. There is also staircase B in this building, and beside this one there is another one with ValmetSchlieren also. There's eight floors here. It doesn't have the logo here for some reason.
Itse asiassa tuossa köyhtiöasemakeskus.
Yeah, this is the Tampere city center. Finland. And yeah, this was actually built in 1970. It turned 50 years old in the last year, 2020. We started from the basement for now. Serial number is VS2250. It's going to be inspected this year, 2021. Capacity is 4 per story and 20%. I don't think it has memory. No. Stopping a little bit weirdly.
Yeah.
Like jumping.
Inspekteerpaakje wijs, meer denkpaak kan.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's hope we'll also get into the staircase A. Where is staircase B?